Who's a good boy?
So I tried a little something new. This is my first attempt with polymer clay, super sculpy to be precise. It lends itself to more organic sculptures. In this video, we will be creating a cyberpunk appaloosa. This one in particular is 18 inches tall and 23 inches long. I painted it with acrylic paint. First, I printed out a side view of the horse for scale. Then I made a wireframe with varying gauges of wire and covered it with aluminum foil to bulk out the sculpture. Super Sculpy can be baked numerous times, and more clay can be added to the previously baked clay with a product called Bake and Bond, also made by Super Sculpy. A pasta machine made specifically for conditioning polymer clay was used. I did use some EVA foam for the base of the sculpture. I hope you enjoy the process.